Welcome to Boondock, Believer, where faith meets the open road. Out here in the back country, fire isn't just comfort. It's about survival. Today I want to show you a simple fire starter trick I learned years ago in Boy Scouts, long before YouTube or fancy gear was a thing. It's cheap, it's reliable, and perfect for camping, boondocking, even at your fireplace at home, as long as it's not a gas stove. You'll need empty toilet paper rolls, dryer lint for filler, shredded paper, beeswax or old candle, a pot for hot water, a double boiler or a little tin for putting the wax in to melt it, oven mitts or a tong, because hot wax is no joke. First things first, rip up your paper into small pieces. Take your empty toilet paper rolls, after cutting them into halves or thirds. I tied strings around it to hold the filler in. And start stuffing it with the filler. The dryer lint works great. Don't pack it too tight. You want a little airflow in there so it'll catch and burn clean. Now, for melting the wax, and this is important, never melt wax directly over high heat. Set up a double boiler or place an old metal can in a pot with a few inches of water, and then add the wax to the inner can and heat it up slowly over low to medium heat. This is one of those be patient moments. Wax is flammable and is not a joke to mess with. Once the wax is fully melted, carefully dip the entire roll into the wax using tongs and make sure the outside of the roll and the ends are well saturated. This helps it become a little bit more water resistant. Then set the finished rolls on parchment paper or a cookie tin and let them cool and harden completely. Once they're solid, you've got a fire starter that'll light fast and burn hot, even in damp conditions. Store these in a dry, safe place away from heat and keep them out of the reach of kids and pets, because we've got a cat and he loves to play with stuff like that. A quick safety note though, always use a double boiler because beeswax will catch on fire. If it does catch on fire, don't use water. Use a Class B fire extinguisher or smother it. Make sure it's well ventilated area that you're working in with adult supervision. Dealing with hot wax or open flame, you always want to have that. This is one of those old school skills that stuck with me from Boy Scouts. It's simple, practical, and dependable. Out here, preparation matters, and sometimes the best tools aren't the newest ones. There's the ones that stood the test of time. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Boondock Believer, and we'll see you down the road. And until then, this is Boondock Believer saying, keep the faith and let's keep exploring.